Hey guys, it's me from Lifestyle Asia. Today we're here to explore Bangkok's newest home-style Mexican eatery, Bandito, with
Chef Willy, founder of El Willy.
Pepe, the head chef from Bandido.
Can you guys tell us the connection between Bandito and El Willy?
In this location of Bandido, El Willy used to be here before. The old El Willy that we moved it to the new El Willy in Ecamay, it converted into Bandido. I'm from Spain, Chef Pepe is from Mexico. Major myself is Spanish cuisine. My second favorite cuisine is Mexican. So I'm a huge fan of Mexican food. So I wanted to represent good home-style Mexican food in the area with the hand of this master chef called Chef Pepe.
So everything here we try to make like homemade style, like grandma style. Homemade tortillas, homemade tostadas, homemade salsas. That's the meaning of Bandido. This connection about Mexican, Spanish, and show to the Thai people.
So I heard you guys are serving some of the best bites for both Mexican and Spanish cuisine here at both El Willy and Bandito. Could you guys please show it to us?
Absolutely.
For sure.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yes. So what's a dish that your grandma taught you?
Of the ceviche, my grandma used to do ceviche all the Sundays just for family.
I also heard you're using a sriracha Flying Goose sauce.
So we're using the goose sriracha to a special fish taco, and to make like homemade salsas. And this is the fish taco, and this is with a special salsa.
Wow.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. Of course, the delicious fish tacos with the Flying Goose sauce in sriracha mayo, and I love how it's also vegan. I'm so excited for this ceviche tostada. Let's try, guys. Bandito. The fish tastes so fresh. Everything just goes so well together. And now we're gonna try the fish tacos. That hit the spot. The sauce, the fish. If you come to Bandito and you don't try this, you're definitely missing out, especially with this sauce on top. Game changer. The chef is gonna come out. Chef Pepe, what drinks do you have?
We have the michelada.
So is this kind of like a Bloody Mary?
It's like the Bloody Mary with beer. And I'm gonna show you one margarita.
I love a margarita, guys.
Classic margarita too. I'm just gonna put.
Ooh. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, it's definitely like a Bloody Mary. And now let's try. Love a good margarita. It's so zesty. From Chef Willy's innovative vision and Chef Pepe's creative dishes, Bandito is a must-visit for any Mexican food lovers here in Bangkok. And of course, the fish tacos is not to be missed, with the Flying Goose sriracha mayo being a game changer. And obviously, you guys do not have to believe me because you guys can come try it yourself at Bandito. Thank you so much for having me, and I'll see you guys next time on Lifestyle Asia's Best Bites. Bye. Follow for more insider tips of the best bites in Bangkok. And don't forget to check out our website at lifestyleasia.com/BK.